I move to strike the last word in support of the Improving Seniors Timeliness Access to Care Act, legislation that I'm proud to co-sponsor. This common sense bipartisan bill is to improve care for our seniors enrolled in Medicare Advantage. Today, 54% of Medicare beneficiaries, or 32.8 million seniors, rely on Medicare Advantage for their health coverage. For too long, an antiquated prior authorization process has stood between patients and the timely, medical necessary care they deserve, burying our healthcare providers under heaps of unnecessary and burdensome paperwork. The data from recent years paints a concerning picture. In 2024 alone, Medicare Advantage insurers received 53 million prior authorization requests, averaging 1.7 requests per enrollee. Most alarmingly, of the 11.5% of the denials that were appealed, nearly 81% were overturned. This high rate of overturned appeals strongly suggests that insurance may be abusing the prior authorization process, resulting in dangerous delays in care. By establishing a standardized electronic prior authorization process, this bill cuts through that red tape. It ensures timely care by requiring standard prior authorization requests to be completed in 7 days and urgent requests to be completed within 72 hours. It increases insurer accountability and transparency by requiring plans to publicly disclose prior authorization information, including the number of requests denied and approved, as well as the total time to resolution. Furthermore, it strengthens beneficiary protections by requiring enrollee involvement in prior authorization program development. The impact of this reform cannot be overstated. CMS Office of the Actuary previously estimated that transitioning to this electronic process would reduce the administrative burden across all providers by at least 220 million hours over 10 years. This is a win for seniors, a win for clinicians, and a win for bipartisan common sense governing. I encourage my colleagues to join me in supporting this legislation. And now I yield back my time, and I'll recognize Mr. Davis for 5 minutes to strike the last word.